How to manage the cache in Joomla. This tutorial assumes you are already logged into your Joomla admin panel. Joomla will create temporary cache files to improve the performance of your site. If you have made any major changes, your cache files may be out of date, in which case you will need to clear your cache. Click Tools. Then Clean Cache. This page will allow you to delete specific cache files. Select the cache group. Scroll right. Click Delete. You may wish to purge all of your expired cache files. Click Tools. Then Purge Expired Cache. Scroll right. Click Purge Expired. Purging all expired cache files may take up to several minutes on large sites that have many items. That's it! You now know how to manage the cache in Joomla.